Ember, in my opinion, is the best Bitcoin mining app on the market. You can start earning with no investment, and all it takes is other people using your referral code and them logging into the app every day. You can earn up to 100 sats per hour, which is 2,400 sats a day. 2,400 sats is $2.40 at a $100,000 Bitcoin price. Over an entire year, this is $876 with zero investment. And depending on what country you're from, you can earn 12, 5, or 1 sat per hour on every referral that you make. And you can see on the top right here, this is from their official website. You can see United States is 12, Australia, France, Denmark, Canada, and Great Britain is 5, etc., etc. But the only catch with these sats is you have to gamble with them before you can withdraw them. But I've been using this app for a while at this point, and I know a pretty safe way to turn your bonus sats into withdrawable sats. In the Games tab, there's a game called Crash. And what happens is there's a rocket, and you see the multiplier going up. And when you click eject, that'll be your score. And if you don't click eject before it crashes, you lose all of your sats. So I'm going to make bets at 500 a time, and I'm going to eject as soon as possible. You'll see I only won 10 sats, but I won, turning bonus sats into withdrawable sats. And if I didn't do it before 1.38, I would have lost those sats. So we're one out of one so far. The next one is got 15 sats for that. And I'm going to keep this running for all 10, keeping tabs on how much I've won and if I lose. But so far, I've done this about 30 times and I haven't lost. I know the thing can crash right away, but it hasn't happened to me. So we're on our third one now. Got another 10 sats. Puts us to 3 wins. So you can see, like, if you don't play it safe and, play a little ballsy, it can go pretty high. Like, you can see it auto ejects at 5. So if you just didn't touch it, it's always going to wait until 5. I like to play it safe. I think the main point is turning these bonus sats into withdrawable sats. And you'll see I have a pretty big, there it is, 5.6. I have a pretty big withdrawal to do later in this video. So now we're going to be on to number 4. We're 3 and 3 so far, or 3 and 0 so far, I should say. Another 15 sats. So after 4, that is 50 sats gain, but really it's about turning those 2,000 sats into withdrawable. And as you can see again, this one's going pretty high, so if you went back to back, we'll see if this one passes 5. It's no 4.39, so if you did the auto eject, you wouldn't have done it. So, it's kind of scary once you get past 2, honestly, in my opinion. So now we're on number 5. Again, another 15 sats. We're at 2,565. Looks like this one, 1.91. So even if you were going at 2, you would have lost your sats. We're halfway done, guys. Another 15 sats, not bad. 1.19. See, if you would have waited at all, you would have been gone for sure. Okay, 10 sats. This one did go a little farther. Still 2.27, nothing crazy. Okay, 3 more. Alright, 10 more sats. Past 2, so I mean, not bad. Some of these do go pretty high, so if you are risky, you can make something on this, but it's just not the safe route that I'm taking. 4.87, not bad. All right, 2 more. All right, 10 more sats. A little past 2, so that's what you're going for. All right, last one, guys. So we're 9 wins and 0 losses. So you can see this is pretty safe. You just got to be able to be quick on these ejects. And there it is, 10 wins in a row. I only won 130 sats, but I didn't lose anything, right? 5,000 sats, ready to withdraw. And now with these winnings, I have enough to withdraw well over $100 to my Coinbase wallet. So I'll show you a quick tutorial on how I did this. Go to your profile tab, and on the bottom left, click Withdrawal. You can see your overall sats. On the bottom, click Cash Out. You'll see there's about a 90-cent fee. Just click Continue. So in my case, I'm going to head to my Coinbase wallet. In Coinbase, on the bottom right, hit Transfer, then Receive Crypto, click Bitcoin, and then Bitcoin again. Copy your address, and head back to your Ember app. Now we're going to paste our Bitcoin address, click Review. We're going to put in all of our sats, 110,934. And then we're going to click Continue. And you can see 891 sats, leaving us with 110,042. Click Next. And then you can see on the bottom, 10 hours ago, I got my withdrawal, and you can see where it says Transfer Complete, has my destination, and $119.34 worth of Bitcoin. No investment. My personal strategy is going to save all of my bonus sats for the upcoming NFL season. So the end of the NFL season is in February. And at the rate I'm going, conservatively, I should be making about $65 a month in free Bitcoin. Going from July 1st, 2025, which is close to the making of this video, until February 1st, 2026 is 7 months, giving me $455 to bet with. There are 18 weeks of the regular season and 4 playoff weeks, meaning there's 22 weeks. That gives me $20 of free Bitcoin to bet on every week. And I'm pretty good at these picks. I could do that crash game all day, but I have a lot more fun doing the sports bets, and I'm pretty good at it. Betting the favorites is a little different than betting your own money because it's just not as scary when it's free, right? I'll make my weekly picks and show my progress in a weekly video that comes out every Thursday morning. So one last thing I wanted to show you guys is just how much it would cost you to get 2,400 sats a day from GoMining. At Bitcoin's current price at about 107,000, you'll receive a little over 2,500 sats a day if you pay $2,923.99. So when you stop and think of it like that, I don't know how they do it, but they've been around for a while and you've seen the withdrawals work. And I'm just glad it's around and that I can help some of my friends reach 100 sats per hour. It's really fun to be able to do that for some people. Also, I did some quick math for the Bitcoin Mine app as well, and it would cost $1,800 to reach 2,400 sats a day. But you have to watch those 10 ads, and Ember you maybe have to watch 1 a day. So if you're interested in Ember, please use the referral code that you see in the description. I'm doing my best to max out our community, and if you want to join that list, head to our Discord and let me know. Just find the Ember referral code tab and post your code. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share with a friend. I'm always on the lookout for ways to earn Bitcoin and other passive income and try to break down these apps as best as I can. I appreciate you all for watching, and until next time, I'll see you up in the clouds.